Hey there gamers, in this video I'm going to show you how to get the map of the old camp in Gothic 1 Remake. Obtaining a map is one of the key things you may want to do in the early stages of the game. The world of Gothic is expansive, so getting a map is extremely useful for avoiding getting lost. Each camp sells its own camp map, which shows the general area specific to that camp. To get the map of the old camp, first you need to be in the old camp. Starting from the entrance when you first enter the camp, turn right and pay attention to the houses along this side. You'll eventually notice a house with a telescope on top. If you talk to Graham hanging around the cauldron or sometimes inside the house, you can buy the map of the old camp. The map of the old camp is a local map that helps you navigate the camp and its surrounding area. Acquiring it makes navigation much easier, and it is different from the map of the colony, which serves as the overall world map. And that's how to get the map of the old camp in Gothic 1 Remake. Please do drop a like and subscribe, it really helps the channel grow, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.